Welcome back to Cycle Ivan's YouTube channel. Here are the scooters, quad runners, and motorcycles available for sale for the week of January 22nd. Let's take a look. Here's a brand new Messenger TaoTao 50cc scooter. This one's in blue, also comes in different colors, comes with a 6-month warranty. It has an electric or a kickstart. It's got a 4-stroke engine and this travel trunk. And you can get them brand new with that 6-month warranty for just $9.95, available all the time at Cycle Ivan's. Take a look at this. It's a used 2005 Honda CVR 600 F3. It's in excellent condition. It's got beautiful paint with some very deep lacquer on it and this beautiful little skull tattoo on the tank with a full race package and cowlings and this custom exhaust. Get it right now at Cycle Ivan's for $2,300. Here's a blast from the past. It's a 50cc Tomos Revival. This moped has electric or kickstart and can get more than 100 miles a gallon. Look at all the chrome on this thing. You won't see one of these very often and it lasts a long time. Pick it up right now at Cycle Ivan's for just $7.99. This used 2011 VIP Dragon is the buy of the week at only $649. It has this full-size travel trunk, very low miles, under 3,000 miles, just $649. It'll go quickly at Cycle Ivan's. Here's a used 2005 Yamaha Majesty scooter. It's 400 cc's of power with this full-size windshield. It has a 4-stroke water-cooled engine and an automatic transmission. Take it home right now for $2,900 at Cycle Ivan's. Here's the real McCoy. It's the newest Baccio VX 150 scooter. This powerful scooter comes in both blue and white, as well as red and white, and all come with a 1-year warranty. That's right, a full 1-year warranty for only $15.99. These go quickly, so call Cycle Ivan's today in West Palm Beach. Here's something new. It's the 150cc Sunny New York Edition scooter. It comes with lots of power, a 6-month warranty, a travel trunk, and you can get it right now for just $11.95. Ask about the layaway plan at Cycle Ivan's today. Take a look at the next generation. It's a smaller scooter, a 50cc, this used TNG. We're going to give it to you for $549. Come take a look at this buy of the month at Cycle Ivan's. Here's a full-size, used, red 2006 Honda Helix scooter. It's got this full-size travel trunk on the outside, and it has tons of storage space on the inside. It's got this AM/FM 100-watt stereo. It's only got 16,000 miles on it. It'll roll for many years with regular maintenance. Get it right now at Cycle Ivan's, only $2,500. Looking for a used full-size scooter? Here's a used Voyager 250cc full-size scooter. It comes with a full-size windshield, this full-size travel trunk, and lots of power to take you anywhere a motorcycle can go for just $14.99 right now at Cycle Ivan's in West Palm Beach. Here's a brand new Sunny 50cc Messenger scooter. Scoot around town on this and get up to 100 miles a gallon. You can pick these up right now for just $9.95, available all the time at Cycle Ivan's. Here's the James Bond of scooters. It's called the Cyclone, and you can get these in yellow, blue, red. Here's a black one. You'll go anywhere on this scooter for just $10.49, and that's with the warranty. So call Cycle Ivan's and ask about the Boss Cyclone 50cc scooter. Here's a used, red 2002 Honda Elite 80cc scooter. It has very low mileage and it's been garage kept. It's in mint condition, and the price has been lowered for this Christmas special to only $11.99. You know this dependable Honda will serve you well for a very long time with regular maintenance. That's just $11.99 at Cycle Ivan's. This pre-owned Yamaha Vino has low miles, a sport trunk, this full windshield. It's in mint condition. It has lots of power, and you can take it home right now for a special price of just $14.99 at Cycle Ivan's. Here's a used 1993 Yamaha Virago. It's an 1100cc, and it's got a brand new back tire and this backrest. And you can take it home for $19.99 right now from Cycle Ivan's. Give us a telephone call at 588-2302. Here's a brand new Sunny Retro 50cc. It's got this beautiful wood grain instrument panel and white wall tires, and this retro styling all the way around. You can pick this up for $12.95 with a 6-month warranty from Cycle Ivans. Hey, check it out. Going green? Here's the Enda e-bike. It's a hybrid electric bicycle. It gets up to 40 miles on a single charge. Comes with a large headlamp, a tail lamp, an onboard electronic battery monitoring system, a removable battery, a small toolkit, and you don't need a license to operate it in the state of Florida. These cost upwards from $1,200 to $1,800 elsewhere and on the internet, but you can get it right now at Cycle Ivans in West Palm Beach for only $649. These move quickly. Come on into Cycle Ivans for the Enda e-bike. Take a look at this. It's the Johnway 150cc scooter. The Johnway has a 6-month warranty. This travel trunk, and comes in both this glossy black or this deep burgundy color. They sell quickly, so get into Cycle Ivans today and call 561-588-2302 for details. This used Blue Alpha Sports Quad Runner is a 90cc. Been pretty well kept and it's in pretty good condition, as you can see here. Guess what? $4.99 takes it at Cycle Ivans this week only. Here's a used red and silver 2011 Baccio Adventure 150 scooter. Only $10.95. It's got 1,000 miles on it, and Ivan will give you a 60-day warranty to go along. Call Cycle Ivans about this scooter today. Here's a regular cast member at Cycle Ivans. This is the Sport MD 150T 150cc scooter. These sports scooters come in yellow and white, silver and white, red and white, and blue and white. Get these with a 6-month warranty brand new for just $12.99. You see these around town and you wonder where people get them? They get them at Cycle Ivans on Forest Hill Boulevard in West Palm Beach. Call 561-588-2302. Here's our star player. It's the VIP Future Champ 50cc. It's an excellent value at only $9.95 right now at Cycle Ivans. These come with a 6-month warranty, and you can get them in orange, blue, red, and yellow. Come into Cycle Ivans and get over 100 miles a gallon on the VIP Future Champ today. That wraps it up for this week's motorcycles, scooters, and quad runners available from Cycle Ivans Performance Center in West Palm Beach. Be sure to click the yellow subscribe button just above the video or just below on the left, and you'll be notified each and every time we put up a new video with cycles, scooters, and quad runners at Cycle Ivans Performance Center in West Palm Beach.